Zachary with the IRP, and I want to talk today about a nice little toy I found. It's a drill brush, right? Something really small and inexpensive. They come in different sizes. This, I believe, is the medium size, this one being the smaller, and then I believe that there's a larger as well, but I know that you can certainly find them in a range of sizes. These are the black ones, and if you're familiar with tile and grout cleaning or buffing and scrubbing and any hard surface floor care, I'm sure you're familiar with what the colors mean. And so if you're not, we'll go through them real quick. Again, I could be wrong on the placement of some of these, but generally white is the softest, and then it goes, I think there's like grays and stuff like that, but there's blue, which is really common for top scrubbing. Then there's green, which is a little tougher than the blue, and then there's red, or I think it might be blue, red, green, and then black. But if you see a black bristle or a black scrubbing pad, they're generally used for stripping, and that's because they're a little tougher of a bristle, and they're good for taking off a level of wax. So these little drill brushes have many applications. The blue ones, for instance, are perfect for cleaning stairs and that bull nose. You can really agitate and get in the fibers without having to worry about ruining them. The black ones, again, they're good for tile and grout cleaning, which is what we typically use them for. But we've cleaned bathtubs with them, we've cleaned sinks with them. Any hard surface that's not going to get damaged by a slightly stiffer brush or bristle. So this really has saved us. Normally what we do is we use, what are they, the sponges, right? With the green pad on the back, and similar to the green, the other green pads that we just discussed. So that kind of gives you an idea of strength, right? But this just does away with all of that tough manual scrubbing. It fits onto, if you can see the adapter here, they're all the same. There's many manufacturers. This one happens to be from Ryobi because we picked it up from Home Depot, but I'll show you the smaller one. The smaller one is also the same attachment. It fits on any impact drill, real easy, forward, reverse, and it's about as strong as your drill is, really. So let's dive in. I'll show you how this works with tile and grout, and hopefully this will save you a ton of time and money too. All right, so first thing we want to do is hit it with some chemical. All I got is some Lysol, so we're going to use some Lysol just for this application. We're going to spray it around. We get this one too. All right, so now it's all nice and wet. We're going to take our drill brush. This is a small tile, we're only doing a section, so we'll use the little guy. Now this is where the larger one comes in handy, right? We pop this off, and we go get our handy dandy larger one. Pop that in, and now we can do a larger area. It's great for bathrooms. Alright, there we have it. Take a towel. Just wipe this down. We got a little stuck on spot here. Alright. Nice and clean. I'll do this one next. Alright, so there you have it. We just cleaned up a couple of tiles. I don't know how well you were able to see them, but you can certainly guess at the applications. And if you're looking for just improving your day-to-day efficiency and your productivity on some of these job sites where something like this or similar is a requirement, then these are definitely the tools for that job. Now, this isn't a new product. It's just something that we found that we implemented a while ago that works really well, and I figure if you're unaware, you should be made aware, and this is just a really good direction to go. Some of the lighter color bristles, the blue ones, the green ones. Again, the blue one is great for carpet, for cut pile carpet, especially on the stairs and the bullnose. Just the applications on these are endless. Even equipment decon. If you get a soft bristle, it's good for like the wheels on your dehu. It's not good for all of the equipment in every application, but that's certainly one. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you on the next one.